So I'm just going to run my payroll for this week because this is the week that James has got holiday, and I'm just going to run it for James on here. And let's just untick those. So just for James, I click get payroll on here. Okay, so you've got a little pop-up there, and it'll tell you some rules about holiday pay on there. So that will pop up for you every time you run a payroll and there is holiday within there. So click OK, and it's going to calculate, you saw there, the bits and pieces to come into this. So if I click the plus symbol, I can see here's my annual leave from Tuesday. And we've got a little green triangle here. Clicking that green triangle brings up this calculator. So this will show if somebody's booked a week off, so they've booked the whole week off on annual leave, however you're only going to be paying them for 4 days of their annual leave. That's fine, because you can adjust here and choose exactly how many days you want to pay on there. So you can actually, so someone can take however many days leave they need, but if they've only got a few available for being paid, you can say, right, that's fine, you're having the week off, but I'm only going to pay you for 4 days out of that on there. So we can see that on there. So we're having 1 day paid for James, and then that is fine on here. So that's showing on there. What I can then do is I can lock my payroll for this time period, and then once this has been locked, I can then take you back to James's profile and just show you how that bar chart within there has changed. So we can see he's still got his 27 days available. However, this 1 day that he had booked has changed. So it was orange when we looked previously, and now we come back in because I've run my payroll and I've locked it. That holiday day is now showing as booked on there. So that's changed. The other option that you've got within here is you can adjust days. So if somebody has a fixed amount of holiday, but they have worked extra, so you're going to give them some time off in lieu, you can use this option here. So if we add 2 extra days to James for this year, and I'm going to update here his extra holiday, I can see now that James's entitlement has gone up and it's now 30 days, whereas it previously was 28, and that's because I've added 2 extra days on there.